scholars, welcome to this week's art video. For this week, we are going to learn about the element of art, line. Say line. Lines are a path created by a point moving in space. So let me show you what that means. So if you have a point, that's just a dot. But if that dot moves in space, it creates a line. Sometimes lines can be straight, sometimes they can loop around, sometimes they might be spiky, but this is a path created by a point moving in space. That is a line. So we are going to use so many different kinds of lines today to create an artwork that has to do with pumpkins. Miss Armstrong chose pumpkins because on Tuesday of this week starts the season of fall. I am so excited because it's Miss Armstrong's favorite season and I love pumpkins. So we are gonna use pumpkins to make different kinds of lines to make an artwork full of line. Today you're gonna need 2 pieces of paper. The reason is one of those pieces of paper we're gonna use to practice our lines and feel really, really good about them. And the other piece of paper we are going to use to create our line artwork and our pumpkin. You may use your colored pencils that you have in your educational backpack from Miss Armstrong. You may use your crayons that you have in your educational backpack from Miss Armstrong. And of course, if you have other materials like markers or oil pastels, anything you might have, you can also use that. We have, I believe, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 different kinds of lines we are going to use today, and I cannot wait to show you them. Now, my kindergartners, you are going to learn about these lines for the very first time. Say, woo! My first graders, now you have already learned a lot of these lines last year, but this year I want to see how crazy you can get with these lines. I want you to add lots of lines in different spots. I want to see how big you can make lines, how teeny tiny you can make lines, and I want to see how crazy you can get with your lines in this artwork. I cannot wait to get started and see what you guys create. Meet me at the next video and we can start the lesson.